Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to do another storage unboxing. Last time I did unboxing for this storage containers. I will link this in the description. Now I'm going to show you a framed storage. So as you can see, this is the storage. And it comes in 2-pack, and it's the size is 22 liters. So let's see the storage. There it is. So it looks kind of small, but it actually is. Oh, this is actually pretty small. I thought it's bigger than this. It's kind of small, but it's actually really nice because it has a zip on top, and you could push the metal in. So this is a framed storage, which holds shape better than those that don't have a metal frame. So you can see I'm putting the metal inside. So, there you go. And there is a front storage, so you can access it in the front, which is very convenient. And also you can stack them. So this is the second piece. I might get multiple of these because they're really nice. You could stack them. So let me show you the top part. So you can use it for storing like socks and like miscellaneous items. See, this is the side. There is an area where you could put a label. There is a handle, and it's double zipper for both the top and bottom. Just make sure the frames are snug, and there you go. So you can stack them. They stack really nicely. You could probably stack a couple of them if they're not too heavy, and they will hold up pretty good. So there you have it, our storage for today. I'll show you the side. There's a little bit of clear inside. It's a thick material. It's a pretty thick material. The bottom piece. The bottom is hard. And okay. So I'm gonna show you a comparison of how it holds up compared to this normal things that you can buy cheaply. Like this one, it is bigger, but it doesn't have a frame, so it flops up. So this one is really big, as you can see. Look. So as you can see, compared to that one that I got, this one is much bigger, but it doesn't have, it wouldn't hold up well if you stack them together. So you can see they're both kind of similar idea of storage. It has a clear front. So that is our video for today. I hope you like this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye.